Welcome back, dear students. Today we will start with another subunit of our syllabus, and in this subunit, we will mainly focus on some of the important beneficial activities of microbes for the welfare of humankind. We all know that microbes are available all around in air, water, soil, and so on and so forth. And these microbes are various, they are of different kinds. They may be bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and minute plant viruses. Viroids are simply the nucleic acid particles lacking the proteins, and furthermore prions. Prions are the proteinaceous infectious agents. They lack the nucleic acids. And the branch of biology that is concerned with the study of all these microbes is known as microbiology. Microbes are both our friends and foes. They are our foes for a number of reasons because they cause a large number of diseases in both plants and animals, including human beings, and they are beneficial to us and run the wheel of life, starting with the fermentation and curd production and ending with production of valuable drugs like insulin. So we know that they are both harmful as well as beneficial to us, but in this part we will mainly focus on the beneficial part of the microbes. Okay, so let's move on first of all with how microbes can be used in the production of some important household products. The common products, household products obtained by the use of microbes are curd, dough, toddy, cheese, and many other substances. First of all, curd. It is produced by adding bacteria such as Lactobacillus and others, and together these bacteria, Lactobacillus and other bacteria, they are known as lactic acid bacteria. Okay, when you will add lactic acid bacteria to milk, it will get converted to curd. Okay, the lactic acid bacteria, or you can say Lactobacillus, it grows in milk and converts lactose sugar of milk into lactic acid, and because of the production of this lactic acid, there occurs coagulation and partial digestion of milk protein casein, and when coagulation and partial digestion of milk protein occurs, milk gets converted to curd, cheese, and yogurt. Okay, the lactobacillus bacteria, uh, it grows in milk and multiplies at stable temperature and converts milk into curd, and this also improves the nutritional quality. It also improves the nutritional status of the curd by enhancing its vitamin B12 content. Okay, the LAB also checks disease causing microbes in the stomach. This LAB, lactic acid bacteria, it also checks the growth of the disease causing microbes in our stomach and makes our stomach healthy. Okay, now another important product is dough. It is produced by fermentation caused by yeast, and dough, which is used to make bread, it is fermented using baker's yeast. Okay, uh, which is known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Okay, scientifically it is known as Saccharomyces cerevisiae, and the carbon dioxide that is released during this process, it gives a fluffy, it gives a spongy appearance to the dough. Okay, and this dough is also used to make foods like idli and dosa. These are the South Indian foods, besides a number of different types of breads that we use in our day-to-day lives. One more important product that is derived by the microbial activity is toddy. It is a traditional drink of southern India. It is made by fermentation of sap from the palm trees by bacteria. Okay, actually, when coconut water is allowed to get fermented by the help of bacteria, you will get a drug which is known as toddy, and this toddy is traditionally prepared by the people of southern India. One more important product is cheese. It is produced by partial degradation of milk using different microbes. Okay, for example, Swiss cheese, it is made by the bacterium Propionibacterium shermani, and the large holes in this cheese you can see in the image are due to production of a large amount of carbon dioxide by the bacterium. Okay, another type of cheese is Roquefort cheese. It is produced by ripening with the fungi. Penicillium roqueforti. Okay, here we use the fungi, and this ripening of the cheese by this Penicillium roqueforti, it gives it a specific flavor. Okay, and finally we have another uh, product which is derived by the microbial activity. It is sour cream. Sour cream is obtained by churning of milk with inoculation of Streptococcus lactis and Leuconostoc cremoris. Okay, and finally, one more product is there, Feni. It is the famous wine of Goa produced by fermentation of cashew apples. This is all about the use of the use of microbes in the production of household products. I hope you all understand this. Thank you and stay blessed.